Hello guys, I'm Omar. Today we are talking about some basic functions of C++ and we will try to explain some of them. So let's get started. In C++ tutorial, today we are talking about some basic functions of C++, including some introduction of C++. What is C++? Why do we use C++? How to get started C++, syntax in use in C++, how to make output in C++, how to make comments in C++, and also as comments, how do we create variables, how do we make a user input, also how do you what is there is more details in C++ and what they are and how do they work, also objectives and C++ operators and C++ strings, C++ math, something boolean is either it can be true or false, conditions in C++, switch, while loop, for loop, print and continue, and also arrays. We will start about the introduction of C++, and so what is C++? C++ is a cross-platform language that can be used to create high-performance applications. It helps you. Also, C++ was developed by this guy named Bjorn Strostrup at Bell Labs in 1979 as an extension to C language. As you know, C++ comes from a C language, so C++ gives programmers high level of control of a system, resource and memory. The language was updated three major times. It was 2011, 2014 and 2017. Why we use C++? As you know, as I mentioned earlier, C++ is one of the world's most popular programming language. Also, C++ can be found in today's operating systems and graphical user interfaces, or GUI, or an embedded systems. C++ is an object-oriented programming language, OOP, which gives clear structure to programmers why to be code to be reused lowering development costs. For example, if you ask a question, what is OOP? OOP is there is an languages they call OOP like Visual Studio and C++ are object-oriented programming, which means it gives clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused and lower development costs. C++ is portable, can be used to develop applications that can be used adapted to multiple platforms. C++ is really fun and easy to learn. So the IDE, in this tutorial we will teach you the basics of C++. It's not necessary to have any prior programming experience. IDE is short for Integrated Development Environment, and IDE is used to edit and compile the code. There is popular IDEs include Dev C++, CodeBlocks, Eclipse, and Visual Studio. These are all free and they can be used to both edit and debug C++ code. In this tutorial we will use about Dev C++. Dev C++ you can download for free about this link. Also you can get this link in the YouTube description. Let's take a quick start. When you download and install Dev C++, let's take a look at some quick start of C++. in the compile code. There is no errors, and this is the result of our code. So that's the quick start. This semicolon, for example, you will get an error like this. So that's it. So how do you use this? Include ice cream. What is using namespace? What is this function? We will explain the next sessions. So that is our topic today. So thank you.